So now in our quest system, here you can see in marker we have this widget. So I'm going to implement same widget on this quest. So in our marker, I'm going to duplicate this one, and this is going to be widget blueprint quest. Drag this inside this quest. Open this one, and I'm going to replace this with our quest. That's all I have to do. Now in quest marker, let's open our marker on event begin play. We have to copy. No, I have to copy this. No, let's close this one. So on event begin play on quest marker, I'm going to copy this widget, place it right here on this widget. Widget class, I have to replace this with our quest one. Now we can see this quest right here. Okay, and now on event begin play, we have to get this widget, get widget, and for this one we have to cast to widget blueprint quest, this one, and then we have to set on the, what was that, target actor. We have to set target actor to self. That's all. Now it's working. Now we have this quest marker in our level. In our quest marker, if you want, you can add a cylinder. You can add a cylinder, and then let's make a material. This is going to be claw. Add a constant 3D node, search once constant 3D vector, you can get that one. Plug this on base color, so I'm going to set this to, I think, green. Multiply with, I think, 5, and plug this on immersive color. Also set this to translocate maybe, and add a constant 1D and maybe 0.2 or maybe 0.1. You can use this material right here, and then maybe in size 0.5, I think. Now let's see. 0.6 is okay. Now I have this point of interest here. Here you can see. Can I do one thing? In model, let's add a cylinder. Mm, triangle maybe. Let's select. Okay, we can remove this triangle. So I'm going to remove all of this. Okay, that's all. Mm, I think you can find this model on this generate tab. So I'm going to remove this one and let's replace this with our this one. Drag it down like that, maybe 0.4 and then 2 2. Okay, now I think set this to 2 color will be great. Now I have this quest marker. Here you can see. Maybe 0.5 and drag it down a little bit. Can I change this color to yellow? Okay, that's okay. Now we have this marker. So I'm going to do on this cylinder. Does it have any collision? Let me check. So show simple collision, complex collision. Okay, so we have to generate a collision. Auto convex collision. Apply. Now we have this collision. That's all we have to do. Maybe remove all of them. Add a capsule collision. Okay. Okay, that's okay. And now on set this to overlap or dynamic. Component being overlap. Is it our third person character? Then we're going to destroy that actor. And then if you want to trigger anything, you can do this right here. So I'm not going to do that. Now let's try. It's working. Now let's close all of this. And set rename this to marker. Have to replace this with our glow material, and then I have to drag this inside this quest folder, and then we can remove this folder. Okay, that's all we have to do.